You're more likely to have a drive failure than a PLC failure. Yet most people don't have backups of their drive parameters. And even then, there are so many of them, it can be really time consuming to make sure they're all right. Let me show you how you can back up the parameters of a Powerflex 525 and see only the ones that have changed. And we're going to use Connected Components Workbench to do this. We're going to go to Discover, and then my drive is on Ethernet, and it's this one right here. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click the Add to Project button. Now it's in my left pane, and I can go to Parameters, and it's going to show all the parameters. But I can show non-default, and this is only going to show the ones that have actually changed on the drive. You may have not even known you could connect to the Powerflex in Connected Components. Not only can you connect to the Micro 800, you can connect to the PanelView 800, the Powerflex 525, the CR30 Safety Relay, and several other devices. And I've made this playlist right here to get you familiar with them.